Struggling with restless nights after 60? You know the feeling all too well. Staring at the ceiling at 2 a.m., mind racing, body tense, and a deep frustration settling in as another night slips away. You may have tried warm milk, herbal teas, or endless breathing exercises, yet your sleep never quite returns. What's happening isn't laziness or lack of willpower. It's your hormones signaling that they are out of balance. As we age, shifts in cortisol, melatonin, and other key hormones can disrupt the natural rhythm that once allowed effortless rest. This isn't just about tired mornings. Chronic poor sleep can slowly erode energy, mood, and even your overall health. But there's hope, and it doesn't require complicated routines or prescriptions. Nature has provided a simple, nourishing path to restore balance. By incorporating 5 specific foods into your diet, you can gently support hormone regulation, calm your nervous system, and invite restorative sleep back into your nights. These foods are not only rich in nutrients that directly influence hormonal function, but they also carry surprising benefits that extend beyond the bedroom. Imagine waking up feeling refreshed, mentally clear, and energized in ways you haven't felt in years. The right foods can help reset your body's internal clock, ease tension, and support a sense of well-being that grows stronger with each night of deep, uninterrupted sleep. Over the next few minutes, you'll discover these 5 natural, accessible foods, each with the potential to transform your sleep and reclaim the vitality that comes with balanced hormones. Food number 1 is salmon, a true powerhouse for restoring hormonal harmony as we age. This rich, flavorful fish is loaded with omega-3 fatty acids, nutrients that do far more than support heart health. They actively help balance key hormones like cortisol, estrogen, and progesterone. When these hormones fall out of alignment, it can trigger restless nights, night sweats, mood swings, and even midday fatigue. Omega-3s work behind the scenes to reduce inflammation throughout the body, calm the nervous system, and stabilize mood, creating a foundation for deeper, more restorative sleep. What's remarkable is that these benefits are both immediate and long-term. The fatty acids support brain function, encourage healthy hormone signaling, and gently ease the body into its natural rhythm. You've probably eaten salmon before, but when approached with hormone balance in mind, it becomes a potent tool for wellness. The best way to harness its power is to eat it twice a week, ideally in the evening or at dinner, in portions around 4 to 6 ounces. Grilled, baked, or lightly pan-seared, it retains its nutrients and flavor, making it both practical and delicious. Pairing salmon with leafy greens such as spinach, kale, or Swiss chard can amplify its benefits, as the vitamins and minerals in greens further support hormone production and regulation. Consider Helen, a 62-year-old woman who struggled for months with early morning wake-ups and sudden night sweats. Once she incorporated salmon twice a week, alongside a colorful salad of leafy greens, she noticed a remarkable shift. Her nights became calmer, she slept longer, and even her energy during the day improved. Helen's story is not unique. Many people over 60 underestimate how targeted nutrition can reshape sleep and hormonal health. By adding salmon in this mindful, intentional way, you are signaling to your body that it's time to restore balance, reduce stress, and reclaim the nights that used to feel so elusive. Imagine replacing frustration and fatigue with a sense of renewal each morning, knowing that a simple change at the dinner table can cascade into better sleep, stabilized hormones, and improved mood. This isn't just about eating fish. It's about empowering yourself to take control of your health, using real, natural solutions that work in harmony with your body. With salmon, you're not only nourishing yourself physically, you're creating the conditions for your body to reset, recalibrate, and support the restful nights and vibrant days you deserve, all while feeling more in tune with your energy, mood, and overall well-being. Food number 2 is pumpkin seeds, tiny seeds with massive hormone balancing power that often go unnoticed. Packed with magnesium and zinc, these little gems play a crucial role in supporting progesterone production, a hormone that naturally declines with age and can disrupt sleep. Magnesium helps calm muscles and nerves, soothing the body into a state ready for rest, while zinc directly contributes to melatonin synthesis, the hormone responsible for signaling your body that it's time to sleep. Together, they create a synergy that gently guides your nervous system and hormonal rhythm back into balance, helping you finally move past those frustrating nights when you wake at 2 or 3 a.m. You don't need a large portion to see the benefits. A small handful before bed is enough. Lightly roasting them enhances their flavor, making them easy to enjoy on their own. Or you can sprinkle them over oatmeal, yogurt, or blend them into a smoothie for an added nutritional boost. Beyond sleep, pumpkin seeds support gut health thanks to their fiber content and minerals, which aid digestion and overall metabolism. This connection between gut and hormone function is vital. When your digestive system is nourished, your body can process nutrients more efficiently, which in turn supports hormone production and balance. Think of it as a gentle reset button for your system, providing both immediate relaxation and long-term support. Many people over 60 experience restless nights and mid-sleep awakenings, not realizing that mineral deficiencies could be a hidden culprit. By incorporating pumpkin seeds into your routine, you are giving your body the tools to relax, restore, and regulate naturally. Imagine the calm that comes from knowing you are addressing the root causes of insomnia rather than just masking symptoms. And while pumpkin seeds are powerful on their own, they are just the beginning. The next foods we will explore work even more profoundly together, creating layers of support for your hormones, your sleep, and your overall vitality. By taking these simple, intentional steps, you are not only improving your nights, but empowering yourself to reclaim energy, balance, and well-being that may have felt out of reach for years. Pumpkin seeds are small, but their impact can be enormous, helping you sleep deeper, wake refreshed, and feel more in tune with your body than you have in a long time. Food number 3 is avocado, a creamy, versatile fruit packed with monounsaturated fats that support hormonal stability in ways many people overlook. As we age, imbalances in estrogen and testosterone can quietly disrupt sleep, energy, and mood, yet incorporating healthy fats like those in avocado can help restore balance naturally. These fats provide the building blocks your body needs to regulate hormones effectively, stabilizing blood sugar levels and preventing sudden nighttime cortisol spikes that often jolt you awake in the middle of the night. The result is not just improved sleep onset, but deeper, more restorative rest that leaves you feeling refreshed and energized the following morning. You may have been eating fats all your life, but not all fats are equal when it comes to supporting your hormones while you sleep. Avocado works uniquely to feed your endocrine system and calm your nervous system simultaneously, making it a strategic addition to your evening routine. There are many simple ways to include it. Slice it on whole grain toast for a light dinner, blend it into an evening smoothie with a touch of cocoa or berries, or pair it with pumpkin seeds to combine the benefits of healthy fats, magnesium, and zinc. Consider Mary, a 65-year-old who struggled for months with tossing and turning each night. After adding half an avocado to her evening snack routine, she noticed a gradual shift, falling asleep faster, waking less often, and even experiencing steadier energy throughout the day. This subtle transformation illustrates how small, intentional choices can have an outsized impact on your body's rhythm. Beyond sleep, the stabilization of blood sugar and reduction in nighttime stress hormones sets the stage for improved metabolism, mood, and overall vitality. Skipping this simple, nutrient-dense food means missing out on a natural, accessible way to give your hormones and your sleep the support they crave. And while avocado alone is powerful, it also primes your body for even greater benefits from the foods that follow, creating a layered effect that strengthens hormone balance and promotes uninterrupted rest. By committing to these mindful dietary choices, you are taking control of your health, reclaiming the nights that may have felt elusive, and building a foundation for energy, resilience, and well-being. Avocado is more than just a tasty fruit. It is a tool for renewal, a quiet ally working while you sleep to help your body restore harmony, balance, and a sense of vitality that you may have thought was slipping away. Food number 4 is Tart cherries, the ruby red secret to sleeping like you did in your 20s. These small, vibrant fruits are one of the few natural sources of melatonin, the hormone that signals your body it's time to rest. As we age, melatonin production gradually declines, leaving many over 60 struggling with difficulty falling asleep, early awakenings, or restless nights. By incorporating tart cherries into your evening routine, you can gently reset your circadian rhythm, helping your body recognize when it's time to wind down and when it's time to wake. But tart cherries offer more than just sleep support. They are rich in antioxidants called anthocyanins, compounds that reduce inflammation and oxidative stress, two factors that often increase with age and can interfere with hormone function, energy, and overall health. This dual action, promoting melatonin while calming systemic stress, makes tart cherries an exceptional ally for your nights and your hormones. For practical use, aim for 10 to 15 fresh or frozen cherries about an hour before bed, or blend them into a simple evening smoothie with a splash of yogurt for added protein and creaminess. You can also create a natural compote to enjoy as a light, satisfying bedtime snack. Be mindful to avoid sugary dried versions, which can spike blood sugar and undermine the calming hormone balancing benefits of these fruits. The connection between sleep quality and hormone optimization is powerful. When melatonin rises naturally, cortisol, the body's main stress hormone, quietly lowers, allowing your nervous system to relax and your body to enter deep restorative sleep. Many people over 60 underestimate the impact of small, consistent dietary choices, yet these cherries can make a noticeable difference in how quickly you fall asleep, how deeply you rest, and how energized you feel the next day. Imagine reclaiming evenings that used to be filled with tossing, turning, or scrolling, and replacing them with calm, predictable nights where your body knows exactly when to rest. Tart cherries prepare your body for the final food in our list, which offers the ultimate combination of hormone and sleep support. By adding these natural, science-backed fruits to your routine, you are taking a simple yet powerful step toward reclaiming your nights, supporting hormonal balance, and creating a sense of renewal that touches not just sleep, but energy, mood, and overall well-being. This small ruby red habit can quietly transform your nights, reminding your body what restorative sleep truly feels like, while setting the stage for even greater benefits from the last food we will explore together. Food number 5 is chamomile, a gentle herbal ally that has soothed restless nights for centuries, quietly signaling the nervous system to relax while supporting both hormone balance and melatonin production. Unlike chemical sleep aids that can leave you groggy or dependent, chamomile works with your body's natural rhythms, using flavonoids and other bioactive compounds to calm the nervous system, reduce stress hormones, and gently guide you into restorative sleep. The ritual of preparing chamomile tea is just as important as the tea itself. Steep 1 to 2 tablespoons of dried flowers in hot water for about 10 minutes, covering the cup to retain aromatic oils. To enhance the calming effects, you can add a small amount of raw honey or a sprig of lemon balm, both of which provide subtle flavor and additional relaxation support. Taking a few quiet moments to prepare and sip this tea consistently before bed creates a powerful bedtime association, signaling to your body that it's time to let go of daily stress, slow the mind, and enter a deeper, more restorative sleep cycle. This ritual not only promotes melatonin release, but also reinforces a calming routine that aligns your hormones, nervous system, and sleep patterns. When you combine chamomile with the other 4 foods we've explored, salmon, pumpkin seeds, avocado, and tart cherries, you create a holistic, layered approach to hormone balance and deep rest. Each food contributes a unique set of nutrients. Omega-3s in salmon calm inflammation and balance estrogen, magnesium and zinc in pumpkin seeds support progesterone and melatonin. Monounsaturated fats in avocado stabilize blood sugar and reduce nighttime cortisol. Tart cherries provide direct melatonin support, and chamomile rounds it all out with nervous system relaxation. Together, they form a complete system, targeting multiple pathways that commonly disrupt sleep after 60. Think of it as building a foundation where every layer reinforces the next, creating synergy that enhances sleep quality, hormone regulation, and overall energy. Many people over 60 have tried countless remedies, sleep aids, supplements, or complicated routines, only to find results inconsistent or short-lived. This natural science-backed approach works differently because it addresses the root causes, hormonal shifts, nervous system tension, and lifestyle factors that interfere with deep rest. By incorporating these 5 foods consistently, you give your body the tools to restore rhythm, recover energy, and rejuvenate your nights in a way that feels sustainable and empowering. Picture yourself waking in the morning feeling truly refreshed, alert and balanced, with energy that carries you through the day, and a renewed sense of vitality you may not have experienced in years. Small, intentional choices like these, adding a salmon dinner, a handful of pumpkin seeds, an avocado snack, a few tart cherries, and a calming cup of chamomile, can transform your nights from restless and fragmented to calm, restorative, and nourishing. The beauty of this approach is its simplicity, accessible foods, gentle rituals, and consistent habits that quietly yet powerfully reshape your sleep and hormone health over time. Don't wait to reclaim the quality of rest and hormonal balance that often feels lost with age. Start integrating these 5 foods tonight, and within days to weeks, You may notice subtle yet profound changes: smoother sleep onset, longer uninterrupted rest, more stable moods, and renewed energy during the day. Taking action now gives you the opportunity to feel more youthful, resilient, and in tune with your body than you have in years. Remember, sleep is not just a passive state. It's a cornerstone of health, vitality, and emotional well-being. By embracing this natural, holistic approach, you empower yourself to take control of your nights, restore balance to your hormones, and step confidently into each day feeling stronger, calmer, and more energized. Try these 5 foods consistently, and you may wake up feeling more balanced, energized, and youthful than you have in years, proving that age does not have to define your nights or your vitality.